Orange County Restoration here for an inspection today out in Aliso Viejo, and the homeowners were out of town on vacation and they hired a handyman to come and take care of a mold issue, and they cross-contaminated the entirety of the home. Not only did they cross-contaminate, but they caused quite a bit of damage to the homeowner's hardwood as well as their glass door. This is their containment work, and the homeowner, after returning from their vacation, after seeing some of the extent of the damages, had to call us out, and they themselves ended up resealing a lot of their containment work. And it's a lot of neglect on this contractor or handyman's part. We've got a pretty good containment here if it was sealed properly, but there's no decontamination chamber set, number one. There's a lot of live and active mold growth that they failed to remediate. They tossed screws into the drywall, causing further damage than just setting up zip pulls. And it looks like it's in each corner. I don't think these guys had any idea what they were really doing. They didn't protect any of the flooring, so I'm sure there's going to be bound to be some scratches on this tile. Containments are going to have to expand. Homeowners' contents have been sitting in here wet for so long. It started to grow some microbial growth at the bottom. So this went from water mitigation to some heavy mold remediation involving contents.